Hey, my name is Jonathan. I'm the CEO of Assembly, and I'm here to walk you through an inescapable video of how to build an incredible hybrid work culture amongst your company and teams. And I'm just kidding, by the way. You can escape below if you want. But essentially, in today's market, it's just true. COVID's created a shift in our companies that if you're not intentional about your culture, it's really easy to feel disconnected from your coworkers and your companies. And because of that, it's really easy to take that recruiter's phone call. So unless you're intentional, you might be looking for other jobs. And that's where we come in. In most companies we talk to, most teams we talk to, they already have a culture. It may work asynchronously, it may not, but most companies are doing feedback and polls and recognition and contests. They just all live all over the place in different silos. There's no tracking or analytics. There's no way to be accountable from a manager to a direct report. It happens, but it's not structured. It's not automated. There's no accountability. And that's what Assembly can do. We can bring it all into one place. The way our platform works, instead of saying our platform does four things in a box, what we do is we give you hundreds of ideas, of cultural ideas. So if you want to run icebreakers for every new employee who joins, if you want to run an anonymous suggestion box for employees to give feedback to the leadership team anonymously, if you want to run a company-wide recognition and rewards program, if you want managers to have an automated way to collect feedback on a weekly basis from their direct report and give that manager analytics and insights to understand how the employee is feeling, Assembly can be your solution. The way it works, we consolidate your whole toolkit, we bring it into one place, and we skyrocket your participation. The way it looks is pretty simple. If you've ever used a Facebook or a social media feed, LinkedIn, it all has that social feel. But because we integrate directly into your HRIS systems, you can pick and choose the modules that you want people to see. So, for example, Celebrate a Teammate, if you look under flows, Celebrate a Teammate can be a recognition rewards program that everyone in the company can use. It can be peer to peer, top down, and when you post, everyone will see it. But maybe you want to have an Ask Me Anything where only all employees can ask questions anonymously, but only the leadership team can see the questions. Maybe you want to have all new employees answer an icebreaker and only maybe the new hire or welcome group can see it. Maybe you want to have a one-on-one between a manager and a direct report. And that would be a private channel between the manager and the direct report. You get to pick and choose who can see, who can participate. How often do you want these forms to go out? A great place companies like to start is keeping morale high with recognition and rewards. We allow coworkers to recognize each other peer to peer, top down, write a meaningful message. They can add gifts, they can tie recognition to core values. And then when employees earn enough points, we have a massive reward catalog. Gift cards, charities, company branded swag that is fully automated across the distributed workforce. And these fun culture awards, they could be anything from take a day off to volunteer to put your CEO's hairstyle in a mullet wig for the next company all hands. The culture awards have a higher ROI than any gift card or any Amazon reward ever could. Invest into the things that people really want. Maybe it's mentorship, maybe it's camaraderie or teamwork. You can offer all those rewards via our custom culture catalog. I just want to show you a couple examples of things people can do. You can have an employee of the month contest. If you are to run this today, or if you've ever run a contest, you're probably using a Google form, SurveyMonkey, Typeform, Office Forms to collect the submissions. You have to force people to do it. You have to do your own notifications. You have to bring all the answers into one place. When all the answers come through, if you want to have someone nominate or vote or upmark or anything like that, you have to put the analytics into a different platform or download it to Excel. And then if you want to bonus the winner, you have to do it in another platform. Assembly can control all of that. All the submissions can come to one place. You can automate the cadence to which things reoccur. All the results are in one place. It's a really great experience across the board. Should you want to run feedback, a manager can set a cadence to say once a week, I want a simple questionnaire asking, how do you feel? How can I unblock you as a manager? And are you satisfied with this company 1 to 10? When the direct report responds, the manager will be notified. All the results live in one place where people can assign tasks and comments and reactions. But both the manager and the direct report are then accountable. Should you want announcements to go out? Now, most companies have some way to do announcements, but more eyeballs is always better. And instead of sending an email with an announcement that can get lost in the shuffle or sticking on your internet that maybe people don't see, we can also send it to email. We can distribute it in your internet. We can push it into Slack or Microsoft Teams. It'll live on our platform. It'll be a push notification to mobile. But essentially, we will just get more eyeballs onto the notifications. And because we have your HRIS data, if you want it to go to one department or a few group of folks, we can easily distribute the right information to the right people at the right time. We'll track all the analytics, give you insights and an understanding of how people are participating. And when you want to go live with Assembly, every company who joins us will get a dedicated account manager. We'll help you set up the account. We'll provide you with internal communications, education. We'll host manager training sessions. And the setup takes between 1 to 3 weeks, including all the back and forth to get the communication right amongst your team. If you have any questions, please let me know. But I hope you enjoy the platform, and we hope to talk to you soon.